This third design involves only a post-test, but includes a comparison group. Again, there are two measurements taken, one from the training group and one from a comparison group who did not participate in the training. It is very important that employees be randomly assigned to either the training group or the comparison group. After the measurements are taken, the comparison group can then participate in the training so that no one is left out. This time, we determine whether change occurred by comparing the post-test scores of the training group and the post-test scores of the comparison group. It isn't a perfect comparison, but we can draw some conclusions, assuming the two groups were similar to begin with. This design also tells us whether training is a probable cause of any significant changes we find. The use of a control group helps us isolate the effects of training versus the effects of some other event or factor that was also present at the time of training.